It's time for some more division problems. Let's go. Here are 40 amazing division problems to train your mind. 9 divided by 9 is the first division problem we need to solve today. This one's the same as, let's say, 2 divided by 2, because the dividend and the divisor are the same. This one is 2 divided by 1, and it's the second division we have. Do you know anything divided by 1? I won't tell you. 4 divided by 2 is our third division problem. This one is when we don't see anything divided by itself or anything divided by 1. It's somewhere in the middle. 3 divided by 1 is our last one-digit division problem. The rule for doing this one is the same as problem number 2. So, let's move on to 2 digits. 85 divided by 17 is our third division problem. You can still remember this one, but it's out of the 12 by 12 scope. Furthermore, this is the first 2-digit division problem. 12 divided by 2 is our second division problem with 2 digits. Also, this is problem number 6. Can you believe we have 34 division problems after this one? 32 divided by 4 is the 7th division problem. By the way, there is one more problem before we move on to 3 digits. And can you believe both of these numbers are powers of 2? 36 divided by 4 is the last division problem with 2 digits. Also, this is our 8th division problem. Let's move on, shall we? 942 divided by 157 is the 9th division problem. This one is the first 3-digit division math problem as well. One more problem until number 10. 248 divided by 31 is our 10th division problem. Also, this is the quarter way mark, meaning we are a quarter of the way there. 987 divided by 3 is the 11th division problem. The divisor is 1 digit, meaning this problem should be pretty easy. 432 divided by 27 is our last division problem with 3 digits, meaning it's time to move on to the 4-digit division problems. Moreover, this is the dozenth division problem. 5423 divided by 29 will be the 13th division problem and the one that is the first division problem that has 4 digits. 2493 divided by 9 is one of these division problems when the divisor is 1 digit. Also, this is the 14th division problem. 3575 divided by 65 is the 15th division problem for today, and this is the first one with both numbers ending with a 5. 2275 divided by 91 is our 16th division problem for now, and this is the last division problem with 4 digits. Let's go on to the 5-digit division problems. 84,736 divided by 4 is the first division problem with 5 digits. Also, this is problem number 17 on the list. Let's not forget that the divisor is a single digit. 31,903 divided by 61 is now the 18th division problem, and this is when you divide by 61. But seriously, 61 is unpopular. 66,044 divided by 4 is the 19th division problem. This one is when we run into another divisor that has 1 digit. Also, this is the second to last division problem before we move on to the second half of the division problems. 73,346 divided by 1,183 is the last division problem with 5 digits. It's also the division problem that ends the first half of the division problem, because we are at the halfway mark. Now we're moving on to the second half of the division problem. Also, this means the first 6-digit division problem. 104,573 divided by 14,939 is our first division problem with 6 digits. Also, it is the first in the second half of the division problem, which will have 20 more problems. 841,051 divided by 12,553 is problem number 22, and this is the fourth to last division problem before we move on to 7 digits, because you will realize that we do division problem types in groups of 5 now. 734,181 divided by 7 is when we run into a lucky number as the divisor, and it's the world's favorite number. Anyways, this is the 23rd division problem today. 858,536 divided by 429,268 is the 24th division math problem. It's the 17th to last division problem before we end the video. 575,114 divided by 2 is our last division problem with 6 digits. By the way, there's also a 1-digit divisor. Now let's continue to 7 digits, because this is when the division problems start getting pretty big. 3,217,497 divided by 1,072,499 is our first 7-digit division problem, and we already have a divisor with 7 digits. That isn't small at all. 5,320,610 divided by 1,064,122 is our 27th division problem. We are with another divisor with 7 digits. Only 13 more division problems to go after this. 5,564,757 divided by 33 is the 28th division problem. This time, the divisor is 2 digits. Not to mention that we have a dozen division problems after this. 8,689,782 divided by 6 is another problem with a divisor with 1 digit. That means we split the first number into 6 equal pieces. 8,272,197 divided by 60,381 is our last division problem before we move on to 8 digits. Let's continue to the final 10 division problems. 91,862,755 divided by 2,240,555 is the first of the last 10 division problems. This one is also problem number 31. By the way, this is the first 8-digit division problem. 36,491,495 divided by 19 is our 9th to last division problem. Besides, we divide by 19 for this one. 8 more division problems, and we are good to go. 96,799,948 divided by 13,828,564 is our 8th to last division problem, and this divisor is 8 digits. Just look at this thing. 11,372,963 divided by 1,631 will be the 7th to last division problem. Also, this is the 2nd to last division problem before we move on to the last category. 52,342,647 divided by 6,503 is our last division problem before we move on to the group to end it all. The division problems with 9 digits. 660,420,589 divided by 187,141 is the 36th division problem we'll tackle, and this is also the 5th to last division problem for today. 341,055,744 divided by 384 is problem number 37, and this is the 2nd division problem with 9 digits. Additionally, 4 more division problems. 846,073,216 divided by 2,944 is the 3rd to last division problem, and this is division problem number 38. Also, there's something special about the last division problem, so let us keep going a bit more. 448,029,162 divided by 42 is the penultimate division problem. In addition, this is the 39th division problem after we have begun. Now, get ready for the final division problem. So finally, 798,096,860 divided by 159,619,372 is the last division problem. And what's noteworthy about this problem is that it has a 9-digit divisor. That's what to know, right? But thanks for making it to the end. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to Dust1218 and turn on notifications. And with that, I'll see you later.